Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's race. Right, before we go, I just want to ask one question. Like with this Ferrari, I've got to put it into launch and I've got like about 5 seconds to then engage the launch control action with the right foot planted and the revs building. If I don't time it right, I could fluff the start.
Have you got some kind of weird procedure that you need to go through in that Rimac?
Just hold the brake, throttle as long as you wish, release the brake, that's it, off you go.
Okay, so you got the easy job, I've got the hard job.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
You could burn front or rear tires independently, or all 4 of them if you like, but maybe not now, after the drag races maybe.
So let's cut to some sounds that car might make.